everyone, welcome back. It is my Friday favorites and flops, and I hope you guys all had a great week. I have several products that I'm really excited about to share with you guys today. The first one I want to talk about, it is sponsored, so I do want to say that at the beginning, but I always only take sponsorships that I actually use, love, and my sister-in-law watches my channel, so that to me is like my ultimate thing. Is like sometimes she has been like, I bought this because of you, and I would never want anyone to buy something if I didn't truly believe in it. But a lot of people have always asked me through the years, there's a ton of these teeth whitening companies out there, and a lot of people have always asked me, which one do you use? And for years I have used White with Style. So thank you to White with Style because they decided to sponsor me for this video, but I did want to just tell you about it. So White with Style did give me a discount code for Mrslolalynn, and you can get this kit that I'm showing you for $28. So definitely check the link down below. I'm going to leave the link down below if you're interested in this. So it's super duper easy. So it comes, you can get it different types of flavors, which I really appreciate. I have really sensitive teeth, and this is the only thing that I have found that does not irritate my teeth. They also do have another version if you have extremely sensitive teeth, but I have found that this just regular kit works for me. So this is the watermelon flavor, and it's called the Sparkle White Teeth Whitening Kit. It includes 10 treatments in it, so you can whiten your teeth 10 different times. Super easy to follow. And I want to read some of the things I love about it. Made in the USA, FDA registered, cruelty-free, gluten-free, BPA-free, vegan, and sensitivity-free. So, and for $28. Okay, so I have used this kit twice now, and I just want to show you how super duper easy it is. So everything comes in the little bag. So you get inside here, I already have used this, so I just pull it out. You get things to make your impressions with. Inside this little bag, you get step-by-step instructions, and you get your whitening gel, and you just push down and put a little bit in each little tooth, like a tiny little dot. You put it in, and then you put this little light on and wait 30 minutes. And I started, so I've done it twice, and my teeth were really not good when I started this time. They were about at an 8 because I haven't whitened my teeth in probably over 2 months, which I typically like to do it maybe once a week. I like to whiten my teeth. I had run out of my last kit, but I've had probably 7 of these White with Style kits. I love them. I purchased some with my own money, and some they have sent to me. So I'm always really excited when I can, do a video sponsored content for something that I really truly love, which is the only time I take it anyways. But anyways, my teeth started between an 8 or a 9, and I got them down to between a 4 and a 5, which is really nice because you can kind of check and see the progress of your own teeth. Well, of course your own teeth. I mean, who else's teeth? But I seriously love it, and let me just tell you, I promise you, if you have sensitive teeth, this is the best, because I've tried a ton of other things, and I've stuck with White with Style because it is so good. So definitely, if you're interested in that, check the link down below. And totally a favorite of mine for the week because my teeth were in some desperate need of whitening. Next favorites are from Fenty Beauty. So they celebrated 1 year, and I was so excited when I saw the products that were launching, because you guys know I've talked so much about their Universal Gloss Bomb. Now they have the Gloss Bomb in a different shade, and this one is called Diamond Milk. I'm wearing it now. It has the same scent as the original, but the original is more of a nude bronze shade, and this is more of a white with, little crystals. This is just really good over any type of a lip, but it definitely is a lip topper. I have a lip liner on, and then I just have this over top of it. These types of products, they feel so good. They feel great on lips. You cannot feel the glitter at all in them. I mean, it's so micro fine. It's so beautiful. I love it, and it makes your lips look full and juicy, so I'm really excited that they came out with a different shade. I want them to expand that line. I want them to have a ton of different shades because I love that formula so much. And then also, I couldn't help myself. They came out with this. This is the Diamond Balm How Many Carats All Over Veil. This is beautiful, so beautiful. It's an interesting formula. It's almost like you can press your finger into it. It feels like kind of like wet, but I don't know how to describe the formula. It's interesting. But it's not like a typical highlighter. It has like glitter in it. I am wearing it today on the tops of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose. But this is like, it's almost like a sheer with sort of like glittery. I don't know. It's more glittery. So if you don't like the glitter type of formula, you might not love this. But you can, I used a brush, but you could also just press it in on top with your finger, and like the warmth of your finger kind of works with the product. It's such a pretty highlight. I love it so much, and it is like a kind of a unique formula, but it is rather glittery. But I don't know, something about it just, I just still really like it, even though it has more glitter. So, but if you don't like a little bit of a glitteriness in your highlight, then you might want to skip on this, but I've been loving it, and the packaging is so pretty. It's like got this like sheer, almost like glitter overlay on this platinum type of a mirrored packaging. Okay, the next thing up that I have loved so much, I'm so glad that I got this. This is the new Charlotte Tilbury blush in Pillow Talk. It is the Cheek to Chic Swish and Glow blusher. Let me tell you, for years, probably 4 years now, since I bought my first Charlotte Tilbury, I like to call these the booby blush because it looks like a boob, but since I bought my first one, I bought all 6 of the colors that they originally had, and I have been like stalking the website to see for one day when they release another shade. I love these blushes so much. If I could throw out all my blushes, I would keep only my Charlotte Tilbury ones. That is how insane I am about these blushes. My top 2 favorites from the collection are Love Glow, and if you like a pink, more pinky blush, and then Ecstasy if you like a peach blush. And then now they have this beautiful Love of My Life in Pillow Talk. This is the blush that I have on, and it's just this perfect, like, their Pillow Talk collection is basically like the lip liner, the lipstick. It's inspired by those 2 products, which is like the perfect nude. And I feel like this is the perfect nude. So you have the outer layer, which is like this shimmering type of a satin bronze, but like I said, like just this perfect like peachy color right there. It's just goes really well. It'd be work appropriate. It's still just, if you're going for a really nice nude look, I think it's just an everyday wearable shade. And then you can swirl and do everything together and hit that center spot, and you have another type of a color. It's a little bit lighter, and it has like a little bit more shimmer in it, so that one's right there. And or you could just do like the shimmery part in the center and have like this super light peachy type of a blush. So this is a really bad swatch. Hang on. Here are the swatches of the 3 different shades that you can get. So that is the outer ring, that is them mixed together, and then this is the inner circle. So technically it's 3 blushes in one. They're $40, which I do think, I know it's pricey, but just think of it like you're getting 3 blushes in one. I like to mix them all together and wear the shade that way, but it's just, it's so pretty, and it just glides on top of the skin and like almost like becomes one with the rest of your face product. So I love this so much. Highly recommend it. That is it for my Friday favorites. Honestly, I only have those several favorites this week. One little kind of shout out that I do want to give is I did use the Makeup Geek new Pumpkin Spice palette on my eyes today for this look, and I will have a video on that. It's kind of just, I film myself getting ready and I will swatch the shades in the palette. So if you're looking for that, stay tuned because that video will be up on my channel as well. But that is it for my Friday favorites. Again, thank you so much to White with Style for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in trying out and like if you've been wanting to whiten your teeth, that's definitely the one that I recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.